Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a quick little haul from JoAnns and a Tuesday morning find. I just wanted to jump on and share with you what I found. I went in the other day looking for Halloween paper and I did find a pad that I liked. And then I found these cute little bags in the Mrs. Sparkle & Co. section. It's the $2 craft section. And you get 8 bags, 4 of each design. So I picked up this bag right here. It says Hocus Pocus. And then the black polka dot bags, which I thought were extra cute. So this will be fun to decorate and put goodies in for Halloween. So I picked those up. And then I picked up this Halloween paper pad. It is Die Cuts with a View. I get their paper pad practically every year. They have a pad that I just love, and I love that it is it's a premium stack and it is double-sided, and there is a bonus sticker sheet which I've never seen before. So let me show you what it looks like. So here is the bonus sticker sheet. Really cute, and it is foiled stickers, so I thought that was really neat. And I'm sorry for that glare, but how cute is those stickers? Love it. And then I'll do a quick flip through of the paper. So you get some gold stripes, and then this side you get the cute little pumpkins. And then I'll just do it this way and then I'll flip it. So this is a small black polka dot. And then you get this foil. Really pretty with like the gravestones. And then you got a Happy Halloween page. And of course it's 2 of each sheet, Trick or Treat, really cute. And then you get all of these different cut aparts, which I absolutely love. I like that Happy Halloween font, that's really pretty. So I'm really happy with that. You get 2 of each sheet, which is really nice. Get this page right here. And then the super cute little witches with little flying bats. And then this is a spider page. And then you get this page right here with all the skulls. I'm sorry, it's super shiny. And then that page right there, which I love. And I've already cut into this page right here. Really cute. And then you got that page, and then the little ghost. Love this one as well. And then some more cut aparts. Midnight, Moonlight, and Magic. Really cute. Look at that little ghost. It says ghostly greetings, bugs and kisses, this way if you dare. Happy Halloween. And it is foiled, which I love. So cute. No tricks, just treats. And then there's the second page. All right, so now I'll flip it this way so you can see the other side. So you get that page right there, the spider webs. And then I love this little page with all the little words. And you get some orange and then black, very tiny polka dot. You got some candy, some more cut aparts where you can write or put them in your cards or Happy Mail or flip books. And then this page right there. Zoom in just a little bit so you can see. And then you get black skulls, the midnight stars, and you get zigzags, and all these little words. You could cut these apart and have some fun with that page. And you got this pretty page right here, the owls, and the bats, really cute. And this page right here. And then you get these really cute cut aparts as well. I just love the little font. It's just absolutely adorable. Love it. That one says Gone Batty. How cute is that? And I love that you get 2 of each. So this is the pumpkin page, and now we're back to the sticker sheet. So really fun pad. This one is called Halloween Spirit. They did have a couple of other ones as well, and they had some fall paper, but this was the only one I picked up, and I used a 40% off coupon. And then what I picked up at Tuesday morning, I actually picked this up about a week or 2 ago. I just forgot to share it with you guys. I did post a pic on my Instagram, or maybe did a live video. I can't remember, but I wanted to share with you this die. It is the Spellbinders Contour Steel Rule die, and it's called You're a Gem. And you know, I did pick this up at Tuesday morning. It's been in my store forever. I was eventually gonna buy it because there was always 2 in the store. And then my friend Anna, who is Serenity Creations, she was like, girl, I'm trying to get this die. And I was like, oh, I'll get it for you. Cause you know, I was like, it's in my store. And then she realized that she didn't have a big enough die cut machine to use the die. So I just ended up getting one. And then she was like, no, still get it for me. Cause I guess she was gonna go ahead and get the larger die cut machine. Long story short, she found the die, and so she's gonna have fun playing with it. So this is what it looks like, and you do need the platinum die cut machine. That's the extra long die cut machine to use this particular steel rule die. Let me show you what it makes. It makes this gem, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And I just did this font on my computer and just printed it on my printer, but it just says You're a Gem. And I just took the example, and I just cut it out of some heavyweight glitter cardstock. Probably from Hobby Lobby. I can't remember, Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And I just love it. It's so cute. So I'm definitely gonna be making a few more of these and putting it in some Happy Mail and all my thank yous that I've got to send out. I am slowly but surely getting out my thank you mail. So just wanted to share that with you guys really quick. Hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.